and banana. Eat. And merinda. That's my lunch today. That's it. Because if I finish it, I'll have too much keep. This all things. Baba is buy things for the house. That's why I want to eat now. Because I want to keep all this one.